Everyone is talking about what AI can do, but very few people are talking about what AI cannot do. AI can provide answers, but what if the real advantage in the future isn't having answers? What if it's asking better questions? The legal profession is entering an era where information is abundant. AI can summarize, analyze, and research at incredible speed. But information alone doesn't create wisdom, and answers alone don't create insight. Every legal outcome begins with a question. The quality of the answer depends on the quality of the question. If the question is incomplete, the answer may be misleading. If the assumption behind the question is flawed, the result may be flawed as well. That's where strategic curiosity becomes powerful. The future-ready paralegal asks, what are we missing? What assumption are we making? What could go wrong? And what question hasn't been asked? These are not task-based questions. They are strategic questions. AI can answer questions, but humans still decide which questions matter. That means curiosity may become one of the most valuable professional skills in law. So, in developing sustainable skills, develop the habit of questioning assumptions, looking for gaps, challenging easy answers, thinking about consequences, and staying curious. Because curiosity often uncovers what information alone cannot. The future won't belong to the paralegal who knows the most. It may belong to the paralegal who asks the best questions. Because in the age of AI, answers are becoming abundant, but strategic curiosity remains rare. And rare skills create extraordinary value. For more paralegal insights, connect on LinkedIn with Sean Denise Andrews, author of The Perfect Paralegal, by clicking the link below.